Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to discuss about the dominant and recessive allele. Dominant means that is expressed and can be seen, and recessive means it is present there but not seen unless it is in pair. Like here, the small r should be double small r, then only it will be expressive, and if it is only one, it remains suppressive. For this, we take the example of tongue rolling. So many people can roll the tongue when the tongue is protruded out, but many cannot. Most of them can do it, but few may not. Thus, gene for tongue rolling is located on a particular pair of chromosomes. Every individual has a pair of this gene, and as a rule, that those who are able to roll the tongue, it is represented by capital R, and those who are not able to roll the tongue, that is represented by small r. Genotype and phenotype. There are three situations pertaining to any pair of gene, as for example in tongue rolling can be as follows, like capital R and capital R both dominant. Tongue roller, capital R small r, one dominant, one recessive. Tongue roller means this is dominated over the small r, so it is tongue roller, but it is the carrier of recessive gene too. And third is small r and small r, both recessive, non-tongue roller. So those who are having this type of gene, small r and small r, they cannot roll the tongue. You can see from the above example that tongue rollers have two kinds of genetic constitutions. Two kinds of genetic constitutions. These are both tongue roller. Capital R and capital R and small r both are able to roll the tongue. So two types of genetic constitution, and for non-roller there is only one type of genetic constitution, that is small r and small r. The genetic constitution are called genotype, and the expressed shown character is phenotype. So sometimes, okay, you will be asked to define genotype and phenotype. I am going to tell you about that. But before that, for the phenotype, there are two genotypes. That is homozygous dominant, similar pair, capital R and capital R. Heterozygous dominant, dissimilar pair, that is capital R and small r. So these are the phenotype. There are two genotype here, capital R, similar pair, and capital R, small r, dissimilar pair. The genotype of non-roller is just single homozygous recessive pair, that is small r and small r. Now you will be asked to define, in the board exam also they ask to define about the phenotype and genotype. So how to define phenotype and genotype? Genotype, the set of gene present in the cell of an organism. Only that much you have to write. The set of genes present in the cells of an organism. And phenotype, the observable characteristic which is genetically controlled. Complete sentence you have to write to get the full mark. From parents to Children, tongue rolling an example of inheritance. You can see here a diagram. Circle shows female and square shows male, and both these are parent. Both are tongue roller. But their progeny, they are getting three children, that two are able to roll the tongue but one is non tongue roller. So how it will be possible that both the parents were tongue rollers but still the two children are able to roll the tongue and one is not able to roll the tongue? So it is nothing to surprise, because the parents may be having the heterozygous gene, that is capital R and small r. Capital R and small r. So from each parent, this both small r might have received from this child. So she is non-tongue roller